What is up everyone, today we're back with another video. Today I just got my carbon fiber gas tank cover which goes around here, and my girlfriend ordered it for me on my birthday, which is November 8th last year. It took about 2.5 months to got my order here. I choose the matte one because my bike is actually whole matte, so I want to keep it like identical. I don't want a really flashy part popping out of here. Maybe in the future I do want my frame to have like glossy carbon fiber, but that is in the future. I'm not sure if I really want that, but I do want to go for that look just for the frame. I mean, goddamn, look at this. Let me give you a closer look over here. Now before we start installing the new part, I just want to go through that. If you have an Olin stabilizer here, I mean, which I have, but I disconnected before I make this video, make sure you know you have this screwdriver for this. This thing is 36 millimeter and you need to have that, otherwise you cannot take this out, and I'm gonna take this out once I place my camera. And other than that, I believe there is like 8 to 10 millimeter small screws like this, so you gotta prepare those. And then you have to take your seat off, not hard, and then you have to remove this part, not hard. Same goes for the other side. Other than that, you should be able to lift this gas tank up, and if you have something to hold here would be nice, which I don't have, so I made sure my gas is like completely low, so it's not going to be that heavy to like work under it while I'm holding this thing. So yeah, let's get to it. Just take this off and you should be able to get this thing out. Oh yeah, pretty easy. Cool. Alright, so technically, after removing all the bolts, I should be able to lift this gas tank. Exactly. I got it off, and I can even feel like I'm just few bolts away to take this thing off. But yeah, my gas tank is not heavy at all, and that's because I don't have much gas. Alright, I can see there's two bolts. There's only two bolts beneath it, and I need to take that off. Rookie's mistakes. I was supposed to put the clamps here and I forgot, so I have to take it all off again. But now we're gonna do it. So when you're trying to get rid of the stock tank cover, just remember to take these clamps out and put it right here. Alright, everything is installed back except for the stabilizer. I'm gonna do it in a bit. But look at the new gas tank. I mean, not the gas tank, but the cover of the gas tank. Looks quite cool in my opinion. Maybe in the future I would just get a R6 sticker like the way it had over there, and I'll put it here. So nice. This matches perfectly. Like, it's perfect. FF Carbon really did a good job on manufacturing the carbon fiber parts. So I'm gonna continue ordering from them. This is my first order, and my next goal is to replace this thing with the carbon fiber as well. Yeah. So the installation has been done. Everything goes back to where it was. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. And this is the end of the video.